If you're a high-achieving Black woman with big goals or are struggling to identify a goal for 2024, I have something tailor-made for your journey to even greater business or career success. I invite you to our free live workshop where I'll share how to conquer your inner critic and master self-doubt even amidst feeling real-time and intense fear. Here's exactly what awaits you in this masterclass. Number 1, you'll learn how the 3 confidence killers keep countless high-achieving women stuck in procrastination loops and second-guessing and doubting themselves. I promise you, you want to know what's killing your confidence so you can finally put an end to procrastination and stop the constant inner judgment and endless self-doubt. Number 2, I'll be sharing my personal inner journey from undervaluing my own self-worth to fully embracing and living my brilliance and creating a thriving work from anywhere business aligned with my life's purpose and values. I promise you, if you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, lost in your career, or burnt out, you're not alone. And I'm going to share my journey with you. Number 3, you'll experience a moment of clarity with our instant acid test. Through this powerful guided activation, you'll uncover the root cause of your procrastination, feelings of overwhelm, and the voice behind your constant inner critic. I promise you, people have told us that this guided activation alone has been a game changer for them and their business. Number 4, you'll be introduced to the ultimate mindset advancement formula. Whether you're aiming to elevate your business or your career, discover how my proven coaching formula decodes the personal and professional dream advancement process for you step by step. I promise you, this process is scientifically based and proven effective. 100% of my clients have advanced their professional dreams using this formula. Finally, you will be introduced to a pathway forward that puts an end to the status quo for Black women to work twice as hard and expect half as less. You'll unlock the secrets of neurobiology, psychology, productivity experts, and spiritual teachers to learn the technologies, practices, and techniques to transform your mindset, business, or career and your life, so you can finally be, do, and have the professional dreams and lifestyle you desire. I promise you, you don't want to miss this experience. So join me for this free transformational event. We've been told repeatedly that this hands-on free workshop alone has changed people's lives and businesses or careers for the better. You deserve to take 90 minutes out of your life to hear this invaluable information. Remember, you cannot hide and advance your professional dreams at the same time. It's one or the other. You're hiding or you're advancing. And it's your time to stop hiding your brilliance. And it's your time to advance your professional dreams. I look forward to seeing you at our virtual upcoming event. You can register right now on our website, inspirebrandconsulting.com. See you soon.